A very warm welcome to the open day of the Urban and Infrastructure Engineering Department at NED University of Engineering and Technology. We are delighted to have you all join us today as we showcase the incredible opportunities and innovations that define our department.
Today, as you explore our state-of-the-art facilities, engage with our esteemed faculty member, and witness the impressive projects undertaken by us, you will gain a glimpse into the world of possibilities that awaits you here. From designing intelligent transportation systems that alleviate congestion to crafting green infrastructure solutions that combat climate change, our students and researchers are at the forefront of addressing real-world challenges.
The program was first offered in 2002 with the vision to produce professionals contributing towards sustainable infrastructure development. It was established to address the growing challenges of urbanization, rapid population growth, and the need for sustainable infrastructure development in the country.
The department currently offers degree in Bachelor's of Civil Engineering with specialization in Urban Engineering. The department continuously refines its curriculum, integrating emerging technologies, sustainability principles, and interdisciplinary approaches to prepare students for the complex challenges of modern urban environment. All batches of the program are fully accredited with PEC. Moreover, accreditation from 2014-15 based on OBE Level 2. So far, over 900 students have graduated from the department with flying colors. Department of Urban and Infrastructure Engineering is equipped with 7 advanced labs. These labs includes Advanced Traffic Lab for Analytics and Simulation, Pavement Material Testing Lab, Surveying and Geomatics Lab, Advanced Asphalt Concrete Lab, RSGIS Lab, Traffic Simulation Laboratory, and Undergraduate Computer Center. Department of Urban and Infrastructure Engineering also owns a dedicated project library for its students, where students can find alumni theses and can work on their projects including final year project.
Under the visionary leadership of our university, the department's faculty members comprising experienced educators and renowned researchers have been instrumental in driving its growth. Their contributions have not only enriched the educational experience but have also led to groundbreaking research that addresses real-world urban issues. The frontline leaders of the department are respectable Vice Chancellor, Honorary Dean, and Chairman of Department.
Urban and Infrastructure Department currently offers 3 programs: Bachelor's in Civil Engineering, Specialization in Urban, Master's in Engineering Management, and Doctor of Philosophy.
Urban engineering can more properly be described as the branch of engineering that covers all the civil and environmental engineering services related to the range of complex problems associated with infrastructure, services, buildings, environmental and land use issues generally encountered in urban areas.
Coming to the domains of our department, first one is Transportation Engineering, which makes design of road and makes traffic more efficient. Engineering Management applies business and management techniques to oversee a project. Structural Engineering designs safe and sound structures. Municipal Engineering deals with designing city infrastructure. Geotechnical Engineering deals with behavior of earth material. Lastly, Water Resource Engineering, which develops sustainable water system.
Urban engineering works towards overall improving the built urban infrastructure towards sustainability. Sound planning, resource management, low carbon transports can help improve the urban communities. Shifting towards clean and green solutions, efficient building design and renewable materials is the primary focus of urban engineers.
Artificial intelligence and information technology have revolutionized urban engineering by enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and overall livability in the cities. AI-powered systems like traffic management algorithms optimize transportation network, reducing congestion and improving air quality. With the integration of AI and IT, cities can create a smart, adaptive environment that cater to the needs of residents while fostering economic growth and environmental conservation. Some of the commonly used software and tools are Revit, that is a building information modeling software. AutoCAD, Civil 3D are design software that empower urban engineers to meet complex infrastructure challenges in 3D model-based environment. PDV Vissim, which is a microscopic multimodal traffic flow simulation software, YOLO, which is a state-of-the-art real-time object detection system, ARGIS, which is used for mapping, spatial data analysis, and geospatial visualization, and City Engine, which provides unique interactive design and procedural modeling capabilities for the efficient creation of 3D cities and buildings. The most commonly asked question is what's the difference between civil and urban engineering. Majority of the course content is from approved civil engineering courses. Moreover, there are specialized value-added courses in some domains, which distinguish urban engineer from a civil engineer. This provides students a separate knowledge and skill base to solve problems specific to improving urban environment and infrastructure design. The Urban Engineering Department offered these courses in the following domains: GIS and remote sensing, municipal engineering, transportation engineering, traffic engineering, law and regulatory studies.
There is a mandatory community service session in Urban Department. For instance, these are some of the community service activities performed by students: filling a big pothole on a busy road, fixing of gas pipelines in Dadu, fixing of light bulbs in park, and fixing of manhole covers. This is our recent remarkable Lyari Expressway community service performed by students.
To give students better understanding of real-world problems, department also arranges industrial visits. Some of these are visit to Gujjo Headwork Thatta, Hub Dam visit, Pile Load Test Red Line BRT, visit to Aga Steel Industry, Green Line BRT Command and Control Center visit, and visit to Railway Marshalling Yard.
Seminars and training events aim to educate, develop skills, and foster networking. For that reason, Urban Department also conducts these seminars and training events like Safety and Fire Drill Training, Seminar Aga Steel, ETABS training, traffic management exercise, annual Urban Day, and Independence Day with Motorway Police.
Urban Department is not only limited to NED University. In fact, its outreach is out of the university, which includes MOU with SIDCL for joint research on Green Line BRT, MOU between Administrator Karachi and NED to suggest traffic management solution, development of geodatabase of existing nalas of Karachi with NDMA and Government of Sindh.
Societies play a vital role in Urban Department. Currently, our department has two societies, namely Institute of Transportation Engineers and Urban Realm, which provide students exposure to real world and helps them to polish their social skills. Urban Department also associates with national and international universities, including the following universities.
Urban engineering graduates are currently providing their services across various parts of the world. The contributions made by individuals like Hadika and Farhan serve as a mere glimpse of the significant impact that urban graduates are making on global scale.
Dr. Hadika Maqsood, proud NED alumni, graduated in 2012. Currently affiliation with University of Arizona, expertise in biosystems, environmental management, climate change, and hydrology. Dr. Farhan Khan, proud NED alumni, graduated in 2007, Assistant Section Director, Texas Department of Transportation, expert in traffic engineering, transportation planning, traffic design, project management, and team management.
To encourage students who want to be a potential urban engineers, here are some of companies who will be your future employers. The list includes both international and national companies.
In conclusion, we invite you to embark on this incredible journey of knowledge, growth, and community here at NED University of Engineering and Technology. Our doors are open, our faculty is ready, and our campus is vibrant with possibilities.
Thank you for being a part of our open day, and we look forward to welcoming you into our urban department of NED University.